Hi, you are watching Best Backpack with USB Charging Port Reviews. Number 5. Vintage Travel Laptop Backpack. A luggage strap allows travel laptop bag fit. On luggage, suitcase, slide over the luggage. Upright handle tube for easier carrying. External pockets on both sides. Are made of elasticized fabric. Expands to secure various size water bottles. And compact umbrella, made from durable nylon fabric with 2S curve padded shoulder straps. Offers lightweight carrying. Number 4. Swiss Digital Design Travel Backpack. Created for the new commuter or urban traveler. Take your laptop, tablet, cell phones, books, water bottle, mask and other essentials in your backpack. For local trips to coffee shops, meet-up places, parks, beaches, lakes, mountain trails or other outdoor places. Practical men's and women's travel backpack. Includes 15 independent pockets for large storage and organization for small items. Number 3. SCIONE School Backpacks. Comfortable airflow back design with soft, multi-panel ventilated padding on the women's school backpacks. Gives you maximum back support. Breathable and adjustable shoulder straps. Relieve the stress of shoulder. One separate laptop compartment hold. 15.6-inch laptop as well as 15-inch, 0.14-inch and 13-inch MacBook laptop. Number 2. Ronnie's Vintage Laptop Backpack. Please kindly note that this bag does not come with a power bank charger. Your satisfaction is always our top priority. Any questions, please contact us freely. We will do our best to meet your satisfaction. Made of durable 600D nylon fabric. Scratch-resistant, anti-tear and anti-water splashing. Padded and adjustable shoulder straps. Number 1. Yorpek Backpack Extra Large. The travel backpack owns 20 independent pockets. For large storage and organization for small items. 3 spacious main multi-compartments. With many hidden pockets can accommodate. Lots of stuff like college supplies, travel accessories, clothes, stationery, notebook, cord organizer. Side deep zipper pocket for easy access essentials. Side elastic net pockets conveniently hold travel gear, umbrellas or water bottles. Thanks for watching our video. If want to know more, check out review list below in description. Don't forget to subscribe to get our latest videos.